Hey guys, how are you? Eric here again, Wheelie Clean Mobile Detailing. Wanted to touch on one of the good products that we use, BioBomb's Odor Eliminator. I've used several different bombs, extractors out of vehicles in my career, and by far this is one of the better ones, BioBombs. Have you used them before, had a chlorine smell, or just added a worse smell into the car because of the bomb that you're using? BioBombs does not do that. Does not leave any residue, does not leave any bad smell. It extracts the smell out of the car and makes the car smell brand new. All right, very simple process to use. Fill it up to this line right here with water. Inside of this bottle, there is a tablet that you pull out. Well, I jammed it all the way in here.
Very easy to use.
Yep, very easy to use. So you fill it up with water to that line, you take this tablet, you drop it in, and you put it in the vehicle, depending on mild, strong, or extreme odor for that amount of time, okay? Drop it right in, leave it in the vehicle. Next morning you go in, you pull this out, you throw it right in the garbage, and your car smells like brand new. We just recently used it on one of our clients' Range Rovers, left it in overnight, 12 hours, car smelled like cigarette smoke in the car, very bad, in the leather interior, in the headliner. Drop this in overnight, worked out wonders. Okay, if you want to purchase this for yourself, BioBombs, follow us, link in bio to purchase the BioBomb.